Easily create video ads by simply pasting your product page URL. Wait, hold on. You already know how that works. Introducing the newly improved AI video ads. With the power of creative insight, we have upgraded the way our AI creates videos. Now, you can craft better performing scripts with diverse narrative styles tailored to your target audiences. Customize the script's tone to be super casual, commercial, engaging, professional, motivational, inspirational, or even to sound Gen Z. Our AI provides personalized recommendations for your target audience, key selling points, and avatars that resonate with your consumers. With our newly improved AI video framing system, you can also generate a variety of scenes with different styles and enhanced quality. Thanks to the newly integrated hook feature, your videos will include script or visual hooks specifically designed to stop viewers from swiping past your content. Convert more viewers into customers with our impactful CTA templates. Subscribe to Creatify and empower your ad creation today.